Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can run campaigns on sixpods.com and make a lot of money. As you're already aware, sixpods.com is one of the newest and hottest opportunity that has landed on the Ghanaian soil, and so I'm going to run you through how you can go about things. All right, so what you're going to do is that you are going to go on Google and type sixpods. All right, type Sixpods, and once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you tap on the first link. All right, once you tap on the link, it's going to bring you to this particular website. All right, so this is how the website looks like. Very beautiful website. So what you're going to do is that you're going to see become an influencer and start advertising. So if you want to make money, you sign up as an influencer, and if you want to start advertising your business, you sign up as an advertiser. So I'm going to show you how you can make money first, and then later I can record another video and show you how to advertise your products and your business on the platform. So what this platform does is that it links advertisers with influencers. So let's say I have a product I want to advertise, or I have my program I want to advertise. All right, so I sign up as an advertiser. I upload my flyer or my video or whatever it is. Then the system approves it, and then it gives access to it gives influencers access to the flyer or the video. And then what they do is that they place it on their WhatsApp status for 24 hours, and then I pay them as an advertiser. That is how the system works. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in as an influencer, and then I'll show you how to go about things. But if you don't have an account yet, you just have to tap on become an influencer. Once you tap on that, it's going to bring you to this page where you fill the form. It's a 3-step process. Just follow the process and fill the form, and you will be redirected to your back office. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on sign in. And once I tap on sign in, it bring me to the login page where I'm going to enter my email and my password. Then it takes me to the back office. All right, so this is how the back office looks like. So you're going to see available balance, pending earnings, total earned, and total withdrawn, and so on and so forth. So if you look at the top left corner, you're going to see some 3 lines. Just tap on it, and the menu is going to open. And once the menu opens, you're going to see all these features. You have overview, marketplace, my campaigns, finance, disputes, referrals, and so on. I know you are already familiar with some of these things. All right, so if you tap on finance, for example, you are going to see all your financial details, your withdrawal details, how to withdraw. You see the deposit and withdraw button, and so on and so forth. But we are going to concentrate on marketplace. All right, so we are assuming that we are new, and so we've just opened an account, and so we are going to look at how we are going to earn. So once you log in, you tap on the 3 lines, you click on marketplace. All right, so you are going to tap on marketplace. So once you tap on marketplace, you are going to be brought to this place where you see a lot of adverts, all right, by advertisers. So this is one here, this is one here, this is another one, this is another one. So you are going to see a lot of adverts. Okay, so let's look at the first one. So this one needs only 100 views. So what it means is that if you place this advert on your WhatsApp status, you are supposed to get 100 views. And the good news about this particular platform is that if you don't even get up to 100 views, and you get, let's say, 10 views, you are going to get 1 cedi. If you get 20 views, you are going to get 2 cedis. If you get 63 views, you are going to get 6 cedis, 30 pesos. If you get 85 views, you are going to get 8 cedis, 50 pesos. It goes on and on up to 100. So once you get 100 and above, you are going to get your full 10 Ghana cedis, as you can see. All right, but if you get lower than 100, you are going to be paid on pro rata basis. All right, so let's say that I get about 21 views, I will pay 2 cedis, 10 pesos. I hope you understand that. All right, so whether you are getting huge views or smaller views, you can still make money. All right, you can still make money. So if I look at this particular campaign and I see that it's good for me, so for example, let me tap on the image and let's look at how the image looks like. All right, so this is how the image is. It says new video uploading platform that does not require 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and so on. So this is a training program, okay, that this advertiser has placed on the platform, right? So if I know that this particular advert will suit my audience, all right, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to tap on start campaign. And once I tap on start campaign, I'm going to be presented with a pop-up window. All right, so I see download ad, then copy caption, then reserve and start, cancel, and so on. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the procedure that you must follow to, reserve your campaign. All right. So if you don't already know the process, just read this particular walkthrough or steps. All right, from step 1 to step 7. All right. So just read it, and you're going to know how to do that. But the simple and short of it is that you tap on download. Once you tap on download, the image is going to be downloaded to your device, all right, whether you're on mobile or PC. If you tap on download, it's going to be downloaded to your device. Then you tap on copy caption, and the caption will be copied to your clipboard. All right, so this is the caption right here. This is the caption right here. All right, so you are supposed to post this caption together with this flyer that you are seeing here. If you don't do it that way, you are not going to be paid. Your ad is going to be rejected. All right, so the flyer and then the caption. So click to download the flyer to your device, tap to copy the caption, and then what you're going to do is that you now come and click reserve and start. But you know something, um once you tap on reserve and start, okay, it means that you've already posted the flyer and the caption on your WhatsApp status. All right, so you can go and post the flyer and the caption on your WhatsApp status and now come and click on reserve and start, or you just tap on reserve and start. All right, once you tap on reserve and start, the timer will start reading. So the system gives you 24 hours to come back here, all right, to come back to the platform and upload your proof video. And we are going to talk about that in a jiffy. So I cannot run this campaign again unless after 24 hours time. And again, the system gives me 24 hours to be able to come and upload my proof. Okay, so what it means is that I have already posted it on my WhatsApp status. All right, so let me go to my WhatsApp and see my status. So look at it here. Okay, so as you can see, I've already posted it on my WhatsApp status. All right, so that is it. So I don't need to wait until the 24 hours. You know, WhatsApp, once you place something on your status, it takes about 24 hours, but I don't have to wait for the 24 hours to elapse. Once I get my 100 views, if it will take me 1 hour, 2 hours, or whatever number of minutes or hours to get the 100 views, or even less, all right, I can just come back to this platform, but this time I'm going to go to my campaigns. All right, so I tap on the three lines and I go to my campaigns, and once I go there, you see all your running campaigns. Okay, so the first one shows the one that I just did now, and this one shows the one I did earlier. So this one, the second one is left with about 11 hours to expire, and the one I just did now, is left with about some 23 hours with some 58 minutes to expire. So like I said, you don't need to wait for 24 hours. All right, once you are able to meet the 100 views or even more or less, all right, you can just record a proof video on your WhatsApp status, and then you will come to the platform, tap on the three lines, tap on my campaigns, then you come back and locate that particular campaign. Remember, each campaign has its own flyer. If you take campaign A and go and post it on campaign B, it's not gonna work. Your proof is gonna be rejected and you're not gonna be paid. All right. So if I come back here, I just tap on the campaign, I see the flyer and I verify that indeed that is the right one that I posted. Then I come down, all right, assuming it took me 2 hours to get 100 views or maybe 90 views, and I said no, I'm okay with 90 views, let me upload my video. All right, so once I tap on the campaign, it's going to open the details and I scroll down. All right, so once I scroll down, I'm going to see status views received. Status views received. So let's say if I had 90 views, I just enter 90. All right, I enter 90. Then I'm required to go on my WhatsApp status. All right, to go on my WhatsApp status. Then I'm going to open the WhatsApp this way. All right, I'm going to open the status this way. Then I'm going to record my screen. I'm going to record my screen. Then once the screen recorder is on, and I'm on my WhatsApp status, I have to tap on this. All right, I have to do this. All right, and do that, do this, do that, for the system to know, or for the advertiser to know that indeed I had let's say 60 views or 90 views. All right, depending on the number of views you had. Then I make sure that the short video recording that I'm doing will show the caption and show the flyer and also show the number of views that I've had. So remember, I entered 90 on the platform, so I have to make sure that the 90 reflect on my WhatsApp status. All right. Then once I do that, I record a few seconds, proof video. I just come and tap here. All right, then I upload the video. All right, so let's assume that this is the video. So let me see. So let's assume that this is a video. So I tap on it. So the system is going to verify the video to make sure that it's not duplicated. All right, so once the video is uploaded, and then I've entered the number of views that I've received. Remember, if you enter 90, you must make sure that the WhatsApp status proof video that you did screen recording must also show 90 views. All right, you scroll up and down, let them see the people that have viewed just some few seconds video. All right, show the caption, show the flyer, and then you upload the video. Once the video is uploaded, what you're going to do is that you are going to click on end and submit proof. So you see that the system already says here that, look here where I've highlighted, it says you are reporting 90 of 100 required views. All right, you will be paid pro rata at 1 cedi per 10 views, that is 9 cedis. The advertiser may still request a revision if it's well below target. So my video is uploaded. I've entered my 90 views. I understand that I'm going to be paid 9 cedis, that is on pro rata basis. And then I just click on end and submit proof. So once I do that, it's gonna accept. Sometimes it says forbidden. All right. Okay. So now it says already submitted proof and awaiting. So you see that my proof is submitted. So it says submitted. Can you see that it says submitted? So I'm going to close this, and that is it. So now, if you see the campaigns, you see that this one says proof submitted, proof submitted, but the second one is still running. So I'll just have to wait until the advertiser, all right, I'll just have to wait until the advertiser goes through my proof video. If everything is fine, the flyer is good, the caption has been well placed, I've shown the number of people that viewed my status, I've scrolled up and down. If everything is fine, the advertiser is going to approve, and then I am going to be paid my 9 cedis according to the 90 views that I've had. All right. So that is how to go about things. All right. So before we go, let me show you something. So if you go to the marketplace right now, you can see at the top here it says membership. All right, membership. So if you look at my membership now, I am on the highest package. All right. So if you tap on manage membership, we have the free membership, we have the standard membership, and we have the pro membership. So the basic membership is where you just sign up. All right, And once you sign up on a basic membership, you can run one campaign every 24 hours. So the example that I just did, what it means is that if I were on the basic package, it would take me 24 hours, all right? Even if I have submitted my approved video and my payout is approved, I cannot run additional campaign until 24 hours time, all right? And with that one, you can earn up to 300 cedis a day, because 10 cedis a day times 30, that's 300. All right. And that one too, withdrawals are only on Fridays, and you have community support. Then the standard is 197 per month, and that one you can earn up to 1,200 Ghana cedis plus. You can run 4 campaigns a day. And I'm on the pro package, sorry. So as you can see, it says manage current plan. I'm on the highest package. So that means I have the potential to earn up to 3,000 plus Ghana cedis. I can run up to 10 campaigns a day, all right? And I can do withdrawals every day from Monday through to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you really want to make money, you should be willing to invest something either on the standard or a pro package, and you can be rest assured you are going to make money. You're going to make way more than you've invested, all right? So that is it, guys. So I just upgraded to the highest plan and I'm actually enjoying it. So today, for instance, I have just done two I have just done 2 campaigns. So I still have 8 more campaigns that I can run. So you can see this one, it says running. So with this campaign, I cannot run it until 23 hours time. This one I can run because it's still free. This one I can run, all right? This one I can run, and so on. So I can run more campaigns, up to 10 of them a day, and I can make 100 cedis a day from this. And someone may be wondering, how are they making the money to pay you? It's simple. Advertisers put their advert, all right, they deposit money and they put their advert on the platform, and we, the influencers, put it on our WhatsApp status to give their business and their products visibility. So it's as simple as that. It's not a Ponzi scheme, it's not a network marketing kind of stuff. No. Once you have a smartphone and you have internet connection, you can sign up and it's free, and you can be on the basic package if you wish. You are not required to upgrade if you don't want, all right? But if you upgrade, you make a lot of money. So on that note, I'll end here. The video is becoming so long. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section of the video and I'll attend to them. All right? Thank you and bye.